Hello, first grade. Happy Wednesday. What we will be doing today in math class is we will compose and decompose numbers up to 99 with base 10 blocks. How we will be doing that is we will model the numbers in different ways. This is important so we know the different ways to compose and decompose numbers. Don't forget to review your vocabulary, so you can click on the next slide to review your vocabulary for this week. Let's go ahead and look at today's lesson. Let's go ahead and look at right here at our teacher example. And right here it says that we have 82 potatoes. So there are 82 potatoes. And we need to model it 4 different ways. So let's go ahead and get our base 10 blocks. And I'm also going to draw our pictorial model on our sheet. So let's see the first way we can do 82. So let's see. If I look at my number 82, I can look at the first digit, and it tells me that I can have 8 tens. So let me get 8 10 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can have 8 base 10 blocks. So I know that I can have 8. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 8 on my model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm drawing long lines to represent tens. And then now I need my 2. So my 2, this digit is in the ones place. So I can get 2 ones. 1, 2. So I'm going to draw 2 ones. 1, 2. So if we count by tens, we know that this makes 82 because we can count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 1, 2. So we have 82. This is our picture of 82 in one way, one form. So how many tens do I have in this first model? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 tens. How many ones? 1, 2. I have 2 ones. So I have 82 right here. And I used 8 tens and 2 ones. Let's think of another way we can represent 82. What's another way we can represent 82 using our 10 long blocks and our ones? We can always count 82 ones. That's going to take a long time. I'm going to count 82 ones. That's a lot of ones. I have 82 ones. And does it still give me the number 82? Yes, but it just took a very, very long time to count out all the ones. That's why it's super important that we use our 10 blocks as much as we can, and we count by tens. Okay? This is another way to represent 82 potatoes. So how many ones did I draw? 82 and no tens. But again, this is very, very long. So that's why it always helps. And it's a great idea to count by tens. So now we know this is a model. We can do 82 ones. But now let's use our base 10 blocks since it's a lot faster and we can count by tens. So let's see in our third model another way we can model 82. So let's get some 10 blocks out and let's count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 50, 60, 70, And then I can get 12 more ones. So 70, I need to count till 7. I have 70 and I need to count to 82. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, and 82. So I now have 82. Now let's count how many base 10 blocks I needed to get. So I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ones. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my picture. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make sure to draw your picture whenever you are representing a number, because it's easier and we're able to see how many tens and how many ones we have. So in this model, we have 7 tens and 12 ones. But we counted our 7 tens and our 12 ones, and it still gives us the number 82. We just see it in a different way. There's a different amount of tens and a different amount of ones. Now let's think of another way to show 82. Our fourth way. So I could always get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then I'm going to count the rest with my ones. So I'm going to count from 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, all the way until I get to 82. I counted the rest of my ones, and now I have 82. And I went ahead and drew my picture as well. So let's see how many tens I have in this model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have 22 ones. So in this model, I was able to make 82 with 6 tens and 22 ones. So look at all of our models. We were still able to make the number 82, but with a different amount of tens and a different amount of ones. Right here in our model 2, we had 82 ones, and that took a long time. So it's always a great idea to count by tens, because as we can see in these other 3 models, we counted by tens, and it was a lot faster, and we were able to have more tens and little less ones. So it's great if you count by tens. So always, always, always try to count by tens when you can, and use as much 10 longs as you can to represent the given number. So these are our 4 different ways we can show 82. You can show your given number any way you want. The first model is the way we can do it with the most tens and the least amount of ones. So we have 8 tens and 2 ones. So we were able to count all the way to 80 and then do our ones that we had left. 1, 2. But you can go ahead and model your given number however you like. Make sure you use your tens longs and count by tens as much as you can, okay? Let's go ahead and look at today's activity. For today's activity, what y'all will be doing is you will each have different vegetables. So you have 35 carrots and you'll have 62 tomatoes. What you're going to do is you're going to represent your carrots in two different ways. So think of the ways that we represented and remember to count by tens. So make sure you can count by tens and use your 10 longs as much as you can. You're going to do the same with our 62 tomatoes. So you're going to model the number 62 in two different ways. Make sure you draw your 10 longs and then your ones. So model it two different ways. After you're done with that, you can go ahead and do extra practice on math or iStation and watch these videos so you can know how to count by tens and to count all the way to 100. Okay, so what did you learn today? Let's see. What did you learn today? Let's take a second to think. What did we learn today? So, what we reviewed today and what we learned is that there's different ways you can model a given number. You can use different amounts of ones and tens. And we also learned that it's really important to use as much as your 10 longs as possible and to count by tens whenever you can. It's super important to count by tens. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video for math, and I'll see you next time. Bye!